I'm Captain Alex Furman of the Army Educational Training Services. We are in Fell Barracks in Fulford, York. We're at the headquarters of 15 Brigade and Support Command that support soldiers all over the north of England, and our education centre runs ILM accredited training courses for soldiers at every stage of their career progression.
My name's David Collins. I'm the CEO of Chapel House Training and Consultancy Limited. We are a Yorkshire-based training and consultancy company, but we actually operate across the UK and internationally.
We're looking at through career transitions at the moment. There's very much a push for transition, looking at not just your progression within the forces, but also how that translates to the outside world. So ILM are providing a means by which we can do that, which people are very, very keen to do, because you don't know if you're going to be in the army for 3 years, for 5 years, for 22 years.
For years, soldiers would spend 20 odd years in the army. They'd become great leaders, great managers, great organisers. They could manage projects, they could communicate effectively, they could plan, they could do all of those things, but they might not have necessarily got a qualification out of it to prove that they could do that.
The qualification is really important, so we can actually get people walking away from the training environment with a qualification and an accredited certificate in their hand. But for us it goes further.
Being in the military for 20 years used to kind of hold something to employers. They used to be able to go, well, I know the skills that you are going to have, so I'll take you on board. The world's a different place now, and it's not what people think you should have in terms of skills, it's what skills you can prove that you have. And you prove that you have those skills by taking up accreditation.
Yeah. The language and skill set of industry, we work very hard on that, making sure that they can transfer their skills and the experience they've built up, which is considerable, and put it into a more kind of a civilian or industrial context. That is all part of our ILM accredited courses.
Certainly in terms of coaching, mentoring and leadership development, we want people to walk out of the classroom feeling confident, and not just in their competence, but in their ability to go out and make a difference to their life, to the lives of others, and to the businesses in which they're working for. The fact that we've got online facilities, the fact that there are events that people can go to. In fact, we're finding the ILM actually bonds people together. It's almost like an adhesive which brings the learning cohorts and keeps them together, particularly in terms of their trial membership. We have an enormous uptake of full membership from our cohorts, because I think people really do value the benefits that the ILM can give them in ongoing lifelong development and training. And for us, we couldn't do what we do without the support from the ILM.